Parking spaces are way too small. Here is a solution. My name's Amir and welcome to today's video on the Mercedes A-Class. So, what we have done on this particular vehicle is install front parking sensors. It's a really common upgrade that we're doing for our clients more and more often nowadays. As parking spaces are getting smaller, it's more and more difficult to get into those tight spots. And so this is a perfect solution for that. Now the sensors we fit here at CBS Automotive are always, where we can, flush fit sensors. So what that means is we've got a 17mm sensor, sits flush against the bodywork, it doesn't protrude out or look ugly at all. Now we always color code these and match them to the vehicle's paintwork, just again to keep them as discreet as possible. Now they're a very small sensor but very effective. They give you an audible tone in the vehicle so that you can hear when you are getting closer to any objects. Now, a lot of our clients also opt in to go for rear parking sensors as well, and this is a package that we can do together and is a really nice upgrade to do. As well as these, we also fit a lot of rear parking cameras on these cars, again, just to give you more functionality and help get into those tight spots. Now, we're going to jump inside the car and I'm going to give you a little demonstration of how the system works and how it actually sounds when you're in there. So now we've heard how the system all works, you get those really nice audible tones, really easy to use. And obviously if we are doing front and rear sensors, we do make sure it's a different audible tone for each sensor. Now, if you're interested in having this kind of upgrade on your vehicle, please just let either myself or my team know and we'll happily assist you. Now, I hope you've enjoyed today's video and feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Now, I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.